Welcome, today in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So as can you see that the Hey Google option is activated now, and just to turn it off we should go into the Google folder and launch the Google application. After that, click here on the right upper corner and go into the settings. Then click here to the voice section and tap to the voice match. Here you will see the Hey Google switcher. Just to turn off Hey Google, click once on the switcher and confirm your action just by click to OK. And that's it. As can you see, the Hey Google feature is activated. Is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.